Asante of Taraba State has performed its first official function by swearing in the newly appointed Secretary to the State Government SSG, Timothy Katabs. Correspondent Elizabeth Smith reports.
It is stated that the choice of Mr. Timothy Gibbon Katabs for the position of Secretary to the State Government follows his commitment to our service and the growth of the state. He said the new Secretary to the State Government has served the state in various capacities where he exhibited hard work and has proved worthy, hence the confidence in him to creditably serve the state once more as Secretary to the State Government. Mr. Gibbon Katabs was the immediate past Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice. Meanwhile, Governor Dambaba Asante has thanked the people of the state and Nigerians for standing by him in prayer and otherwise through his period of medical treatment in Germany and the United States of America. Speaking shortly after the swearing-in of the Secretary to the State Government, Governor Asante said the love and support shown him should remain the binding force for lasting peace in the state. Shortly after the